Welcome to our in-depth analysis video about MeetGeek, a platform designed to streamline your meeting processes. MeetGeek is a smart app that helps you schedule, organize, and manage meetings effectively. With the integration of AI, it eliminates the hassles of coordinating with multiple participants, finding suitable time slots, and sending reminders. It's a one-stop solution for all your meeting needs. Let's dive into the key features of MeetGeek. It offers automated scheduling, which simplifies the process of finding a suitable time for all participants. The AI assistant takes care of sending invites and reminders. One of its standout features is the integration with popular calendars and email clients. It also provides a meeting agenda builder and minutes of meeting templates to keep your discussions structured and productive. Now, let's discuss the pricing. MeetGeek offers a free basic plan with limited features. For more advanced features, such as unlimited scheduling, priority support, and team functionality, you can opt for the premium plan at $10 per month. They also provide enterprise plans with custom pricing for larger organizations. The pricing is quite competitive considering the features and convenience it offers. MeetGeek is ideal for both individuals and organizations. If you're a freelancer or a small business owner, it can help you manage your client meetings efficiently. For larger organizations, it can streamline team meetings, client meetings, and even webinars. It's also perfect for remote teams as it eliminates the challenges of coordinating across different time zones. Moving on to the advantages of MeetGeek. Its AI-powered scheduling saves you a lot of time and effort. The integration with popular calendars and email clients makes it convenient to use. The meeting agenda builder and minutes of meeting templates help in keeping your meetings structured and productive. Plus, it's cost-effective, especially for small businesses and freelancers. However, MeetGeek does have its limitations. The AI might not always understand complex scheduling scenarios. It also requires a good internet connection for seamless operation. The free plan is quite limited, and most useful features are only available in the paid plans. Lastly, there might be privacy concerns as it needs access to your calendar and email. In conclusion, MeetGeek is a powerful tool that helps you organize and manage meetings effectively. It offers a range of features that can save you time and effort. While there are a few limitations, the benefits it offers outweigh these. If you frequently schedule meetings and value productivity, MeetGeek is worth considering. Here are the key takeaways. MeetGeek is a smart meeting management app with AI-powered scheduling. It integrates with popular calendars and email clients and offers useful features like Meeting Agenda Builder. It's cost-effective for small businesses and freelancers. However, it may not be suitable for complex scheduling scenarios, and it requires a good internet connection. Thank you for watching this analysis video on MeetGeek. We hope it gave you a comprehensive understanding of what MeetGeek is, its key features, pricing, use cases, advantages, disadvantages, and our balanced conclusion. Remember, the right tool depends on your specific needs and circumstances. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Your support motivates us to create more such content. Thank you once again and see you in our next video.